Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you a quick Canva tutorial on how you can design a landscape poster. So if you want to make it quick, I suggest you just use the template from Canva. And in here, I'm going to show you how to create a landscape poster. So just click on the search column at the top and type in the keyword landscape poster. Click on enter. So in here you'll see there are lots of template that you can use, so you can just choose which one that you think fits your needs the best. So for example, I'm going to use this new year sale poster. Just click on the template. Okay, so it has some kind of a retro vintage vibe, and if you want to change it into your on for example your on store poster, you can change, for example, you can change the website in here. Okay, like this, and you can also change the photo with your own product. You can change the term of discount, for example, like this. And if you want, you can also change the font or maybe change the color of the background, for example, like this. You can just explore on your own. So if you're done, you can just click on the arrow at the top and you can print the poster or download it first. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.